Hey, I'm going to unbox this Craftsman 2-cycle 25cc weed whacker, put it together, and use it. All right, here's all our pieces. The very first piece that we're going to take care of is this one to that one, the guard. So this is going to fit over this bracket right there. I'll show you. Okay, how this thing works is this is just going to go right like this. This little piece right here, the little end goes right in there. That hole there is for this. So it's going to slide in there. I'm going to take this out, take that off, and run the bolt through that hole. I'm holding my thumb right up against there to keep it steady. And then just, it's going to insert right in there. Connect these two. So what you want to do is take this piece out. It even says remove for assembly. Okay, take that off, and then this comes off too. So press down on that and just pull that right off. There we go. And that'll just link right up with this. It's going to pop through that hole. Push down on it and snap it in just like that. You can tighten it down there. There we go. Okay, now the next step, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. So I grabbed one of those, loosen this up a little bit. Actually, we're gonna take this all the way out because we're gonna mount this. That just stays right in there. So maybe keep your finger on that so it doesn't pop out. And then that's going to mount right on here. Wherever's comfortable for you. Just pop it on there and put that screw back in. So you might want to pick it up, just kind of figure out where is going to be the best for you for this thing. You can always loosen it up and slide it forward or back, but one hand here and then one hand there. Tighten that down. Okay, now we're ready to add some fuel. So I'm use mixed fuel, and I'd like to use the Still Moto mix here, or Steel, however you want to pronounce it, 50 to 1, and that's what this takes too. You might need a funnel. This thing happens to have a pretty good pour spout, and pour it pretty good in there. Now we'll go ahead and fire it up. The directions for starting this thing are right on the side here. The main thing, first of all, is make sure this kill switch is in the on position. You want to prime it first, so we're going to prime it. Here's the primer right here. You push that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Do a little bit more. Let's go about 15. Move the lever to the 1 position all the way up. Okay, it wanted to start up. Now we'll go down 1 here. Okay, it's wanting to start. And we'll open it all the way up. Here we go.